That's what it's looking like to me. I think I just kind of work off. I mean, it's just a little washer. Kind of messed up. Alright, so now we got that part done. Oh, I just got to get these screws off. This screwdriver. Alright, put that there, and let me just pop this guy off. Kind of see how the gasket maker kind of adhered to that. That was the initial goal I was having with that, but it didn't work out, so now I just gotta make sure that the pots line up, so they do. So now I just gotta pop that in. Pop this back on. And then line the screws up. See if I can do that. Kind of loosen that one. Pop this one in. Check this other side. Hopefully it didn't. I mean, it might have moved a little bit, but it appears to be staying intact. So let me this is a bit bigger of a screw than I would have liked. Alright, well, we got that part of it fixed. Alright, I'm gonna toss that over here. And let me see if there's a way I can get to those side brackets. Oops, that's using your head. There has to be a way for me to remove these. Because there's two screws there. So